Alright, on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a quick and simple leader stats, and it's going to be like really quick, so here we go. First thing we need to do is get the player, which is local players equals game, get service players, and then what we're going to do next with the players service is players that player added, connect, function, get the player in the argument here, or parameter. So what is going to do is that every time the player loads in, it's going to do something here, and that's where we're going to set up a function. And that function we're going to be setting up is setup leader stats. So whenever the player loads in, we can give them leader stats, like what you've seen before. So this is like what you need to do is in every leader stats, you need to have a leader stats folder. Like this, leader stats equals instance.new folder. It's going to be a folder, and then we're just going to leader stats name it to leader stats. You have to name it exactly like this, or else there'll be like a problem with it not showing up. Parent equals, we're gonna parent it to the player, and from here on out, if you click play, it's not gonna show you anything because it doesn't have any values. So you gotta add values to that folder for it to show up. So here we'll do local rank. Let's see. So instance.new, it's going to be a string value because the rank is like letters. So I'll do rank.name equals let's see, name. Actually, let me show you guys what it will be like if I didn't put in the name. So let's do value equals, let's see, put the owner, rank.parent equals leader stats. And if I were to call this in here, so setup leader stats and add the player in there and play, it would show up as value because we didn't name it. And if you go to leader stats here, as you can see, it's just value. That's the name of it. And if you want to customize it to make it match whatever value we're putting in, we have to put in rank or add in a name per se. So rank.name equals, let's see if I can type, rank. And now if I click play, we will have a rank with the value of owner. So that's real simple, and it works for string and number. So for the number, I can make like a, let's say, level. So local level equals instance.new int value. You can have this either int value or string value or number value, but I'll go with int value. Name equals level. We're gonna name it level dot value. So this is like what it's gonna start out with, which is level 1. Level dot parent equals leader stats. So if I go ahead and play this, I will have a level now. So there we go. And I guess one more is I'll show you guys the number value. Go here. I'm just gonna copy this, change this to number value. Let's say we want this to be money. Copy this, and then I'll just, oops, if I can paste this in, money. And then let's say we want the player to start with $100 or money. Click play, and there we go. We are a owner. We're level 1, and we have about 100 money, or guess dollar, in our asset as the player. So yeah, that's about it. That's a quick and simple leader stats. I will add on to this to, if you want to like make functions that increase the value or change the value, I'll make another video for that if you guys want.